It's as straight as I'll get it. Oh. That's gonna look sick. This is what y'all don't want to do.
He's escaped. Oh my gosh. Go on. Car's coming, homie. Come, please. I'm gonna pick you up. Come on. Go on. Come on. Oh my gosh, he's free. He's free. Come on, homie. Come on, please. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Freaking kid. Yeah. Dude, what the? He just did a 360 drift. Yeah. You gotta run away from him. That's the trick. Go on. Come on. Oh my gosh. You're my friend. Please. Look at this kid. Go on. Come on. Please. Please. This is what happens. Okay, you know what? I gave up. He's free. Quickly picked up a few things at the old garage, and we're here to mainly finesse the interior of the E36 a little more. And if you guys haven't seen my most recent vlog, this is basically what happened in that DIY. We're also going to be prepping the exterior for wrap, so pretty much just cleaning up the wide body work that we started last fall, possibly making it a little more aggressive, just a little more. That's what these fins are for. And I'll show you guys exactly what I have planned for them. But before we get started on any of that, we're gonna be installing a brand new aftermarket steering wheel by OMP. Woo! Suede, oh, feels so nice. I was just really waiting on the hub adapter, which I picked up off Amazon Prime for like 40 bucks, so hopefully this doesn't crap out on me just because of how cheap it was. Let's install this thing. So first things first, you wanna make sure that the battery is disconnected. Right. Next, we are going to attempt to take off our steering wheel. But what you guys didn't actually know, my tutorial video on how to install a steering wheel, which has like over 600,000 views, was actually a $500 mistake. What I actually didn't show you on that video was I lost my alignment of the wheels. So when I reinstalled the aftermarket steering wheel and took it for a test drive, I actually overturned my clock spring and completely snapped the spiral. And then I called Toyota the next day. To fix it, it was like 600 bucks for the OEM clock spring and like a 2-week wait. So what ended up happening was once I got the car fixed again, I wore the same clothes and just continued that video. So we're just gonna be really careful. So you wanna make sure that your steering wheel and your wheels are completely as straight as you can get them. Sometimes you might wanna just roll it back or forward. Of course, after any steering wheel installation, I suggest you guys just go get a wheel alignment for safety measures. Now, I think that's as straight as I'll get it. So you're gonna wanna grab the T30 Torx bit and unscrew the 2 bolts that are holding the airbag in place. Now, at this angle, it is kind of awkward, but once you can find the screw, you're golden. Then make sure you unplug everything on the back. Yes. And just double check that your wheel is as straight as it can be. Then take a 16 mil and carefully loosen the bolt. Okay, I need more leverage. Holy torque wrench. Oh, so much easier. Just leave the bolt in there so that you can kind of, wait, the steering wheel's not even really on there. All right then. But usually what people do is just they leave the bolt in there, and if their steering wheel is being stubborn, just don't want to pull it out and smack yourself in the face. There is one more attachment on the back here. Guys, this is what y'all don't want to do. I am just gonna cut these wires and hope for the best. Next, you want to grab the hub.
suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
And if you guys are wondering, for E36s, the recommended torque specs for your steering wheel bolt is around 46 to 48 foot-pounds of torque. So far, so good. So there's multiple holes making this hub universal, except the holes that I lined it up with are made for a different kind of steering wheel. So this doesn't actually fit proper. It's supposed to be shifted this way. Damn, screwed up. There you go.
Bank account is zero, I don't know the feeling. 20 shots, can't impair the vision.
Get up and go. I wanna be like a kid in the snow.
But I think it's about that time. We just trying to get it.
So I'm looking at it now. You actually don't need the clock spring because this doesn't fit. So what you really need is this part and the brown wire, so the ground, and then this is probably for your horn. But yeah, I actually did it properly. You are supposed to cut this, so now I gotta recut this.
Yeah, bad vibes just so yesterday. Yeah, I hope you niggas get up out the bed today.
Try to give myself as much as I possibly can.
Capo, 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 capo.
So now that's good. We can take that off, reinstall the steering wheel, and it should be able to work.
That shit you got bad to say, you just a hater. You just a hater. You just a hater. I'm stacking
And I extended it a little bit so that I have some room to work with.
Girl, you know, no. Girl, you know, no. Yeah. Swiffy been on that, I'm back to the music. Fuck what you talking about, yes, I came here to just better the beat and abuse it. Like Eminem, I'm a loser.
Got the steering wheel back on.
My pack is my bun is so fat, this bitch be whack. I gotta keep it a stack. Pussy like cheese to a
That's it. So that actually took a little longer than I thought it would, but now we can get to the bodywork. Okay, so we're gonna be disassembling the body in a bit here, but to give you guys an idea of what we're up to, these are the inner parts of the M3 vents that I have on the hood right now. I decided not to use them because aesthetically, I thought it looked cleaner with nothing in the center part of the hood. But instead, we're gonna reappropriate these as fins. And don't worry, I'm gonna make them functional, but these fins are gonna be placed on the fender piece right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a proper size hole just so that the fins can pop out of this section. And we're gonna do our best to align the lines up with the M3 vents that are installed on the hood right now. Go on to this side. Okay, yeah, no, that goes there. And this should go something like that. You guys get the idea. Trust in my head, this looks so much cleaner. And it will, okay? Also brought my old grill vents. So these are your generic Beamer vents that go on the front. I'm gonna try to find a way to install it on our aftermarket front bumper, or M3 style front bumper. This is the one that actually came with the GTR kit. The only difference is it's extended like 5 inches on the side here, just so it fits with the rest of the kit. But this is probably one of my favorite kits that is available for the E36. It's not one you see too many people who own E36s rock that often, so we gotta go for different. Just wanted to move the E36 away from the El Camino because that thing was actually painted not too long ago, and we're gonna be cutting up fiberglass right now, so let's get to it. Sick. Let's grab this. Quickly see. Oh, yeah. That's sick. That's dope. That was actually a really good cut too. I'm impressed. Let's cut the other side. And then we'll probably start taking everything off, starting with the hood, the front bumper, and as well as the fenders. Gotta just double check. Dope. That's gonna look sick. I'm just gonna finesse the edges, make sure this fits perfectly. Because I made sure to cut a little smaller. Gotta cut a little more off the corner there. Test this out. Steering wheel seems to be okay, and horn button works. So I think I'm just gonna end this video. The E36 is pretty much ready for its new color. We're gonna be going with wrap. If you guys have been following me on this channel for a long time, you'll know that my favorite color is green. So obviously we're gonna be going with the staple Kelly green color, except I am gonna be doing my own custom drawn on livery, which I'm pretty sure you guys have never seen on a real 1:1 scale car before. That should be a hint. I'm not actually gonna tell you guys my idea for it yet because people out there might hop on it and do it before I do. But you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned because yeah, it's gonna be sick. But I promise we're just gonna keep working on the E36 until completion, which hopefully is in the next few weeks here, because I just wanna move on to the next project and we just have too many works in progress right now. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.